Hey, what's up everybody? I'm in a 2020 Dodge Journey. The O2 sensor monitor refuses to run on this car. So, what I did is I replaced the rear O2 sensor. This car, on this engine, has two O2 sensors. I replaced the rear O2 sensor. Basically what's going on, this car has been driven and driven. It's been driven a lot. Every monitor is ready, even the event monitor is ready. But the O2 sensor monitor refuses to run. And what I've seen on these cars and a lot of Toyotas is the rear O2 sensors, they'll start to slow down with their signal. They're kind of a unique sensor. They don't just fail and cut out all the time, but their sensor signal slows down. And what's happening is it's slowed down enough to where it'll run the car, but it won't set the monitor when the monitor does its test to see like its performance test. So I put a new one in there. I'm going to go drive this on the freeway, steady, 50 miles per hour, a few hard accelerations, and then decels, and this will probably run. I've seen it a million times. Alright guys, so after replacing the O2 sensor, I went on 2 drives. I drove it once and let it cool off, and then I went again, and I went on the freeway both times, going about 50 miles per hour. 5 hard accelerations, and then you let off and just let it decel naturally. And then on the second time, as you can see, my O2 sensor monitor ran. And I have a video on how to replace the rear O2 sensor on this car, so check that out. I'll link it below. And you want to replace the rear one because the front one nowadays is an air-fuel ratio sensor, and they're different. An O2 sensor can, when it fails, it's the only sensor really on the car that will slow the signal down. Other sensors just disrupt the signal so much that like it throws a code right away. But an O2 sensor is unique because the sensor signal can slow down, and not enough to cause an issue, but enough to not run the monitor. That's why we replaced the rear O2, because most of the time it's a classic O2 sensor. I hope that makes sense. All right, thanks for watching.